Hello and welcome to my channel, A Wealth of Health. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you find our content informative. Today we will talk about the benefits of green tea, a superfood for humans. Green tea is a type of tea made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Unlike black tea, green tea is not fermented, so it's able to maintain important molecules called polyphenols, which seem to be responsible for many of its benefits. To produce green tea, leaves from the plant are steamed, pan-fried, and dried. Green tea also contains caffeine. Green tea is made from the Camellia sinensis plant. Its dried leaves and leaf buds are used to make several different teas, including black and oolong teas. Green tea is prepared by steaming and pan-frying the Camellia sinensis leaves and then drying them. Green tea is not fermented, so it's able to maintain important molecules called polyphenols, which seem to be responsible for many of its benefits. It also contains caffeine. People commonly use a US FDA-approved prescription product containing green tea for genital warts. As a drink or supplement, green tea is sometimes used for high cholesterol, high blood pressure, to prevent heart disease, and to prevent ovarian cancer. Green tea may help support cognition and weight management, boost energy, and offer some protection against cancer. Green tea is touted as one of the healthiest beverages on the planet, and it may have many potential health benefits. Here are 10 possible health benefits of green tea. 1. Contains plant-based antioxidant compounds. Green tea contains a type of polyphenol called a catechin. Catechins are antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide trusted source other health benefits. The most well-known and abundant catechin in green tea is epigallocatechin 3-gallate, EGCG, which research has found may be involved in improving various health conditions or markers of disease. 2. May improve cognitive function. Research suggests that drinking green tea may benefit cognition, mood, and brain function, possibly due to compounds in green tea like caffeine and L-theanine. A 2020 study also suggested that green tea is linked with a 64% trusted source lower chance of cognitive impairment in middle-aged and older adults. That said, more human studies are needed to further explore this effect. 3. Could help with fat burning. A 2022 review found that green tea's ability to positively influence metabolism is enhanced with aerobic or resistance exercise. That said, the National Institutes of Health Office of Dietary Supplements trusted source suggests that while some studies do show an ability for green tea to improve how your body breaks down fat, its overall effect on weight loss is likely to be small. 4. Might lower the risk of some cancers. While the evidence is mixed and inconsistent, research trusted source has linked drinking green tea with a reduced chance of developing some types of cancer, such as lung cancer or ovarian cancer. A 2020 review found that while experimental research shows a modest beneficial effect, scientists could not conclude any consistent effects of green tea on overall cancer likelihood. Additional high-quality research is needed. 5. May protect the brain from aging. A 2020 study trusted source showed that green tea was linked with lower levels of certain markers related to Alzheimer's disease in people without current known cognitive issues. Compounds such as EGCG and L-theanine may be responsible. However, a 2023 study reported that drinking too much, 13 cups or more per day all types of tea, could increase the chance of Alzheimer's disease. Clinical evidence on how exactly green tea affects the human brain is lacking. 6. Could help with oral health. A 2021 review trusted source of studies found that drinking green tea or using green tea extract may be linked to better oral health. However, most of the research on this subject did not examine human subjects. While results are promising, more clinical research in humans is needed. 7. May help with the managing blood sugar. A 2020 review trusted source found that green tea may help reduce blood sugar while fasting in the short term, but does not seem to have an effect on blood sugar or insulin in the long term. A 2021 study on Chinese adults also suggested a 10% lower chance of death from type 2 diabetes for those who drink it daily. Other reviews found no effects on any markers of blood sugar management in people with type 2 diabetes, so the findings are inconclusive. 8. Might help prevent heart disease. A 2022 review suggests that regularly drinking green tea could lower many risk factors of heart disease, such as blood pressure or lipids. That said, there is still a lack of consistent, long-term evidence in human clinical trials able to show cause and effect. 9. May help you lose weight. Several studies show that green tea may help with weight loss. A 2022 study found drinking 4 or more cups of green tea daily was linked with a 4% trusted source lower chance of abdominal obesity, but the effect was only significant for women. But green tea does not seem to make any changes to your levels of hunger and fullness hormones, which help regulate your appetite. There's also mixed trusted source evidence on weight loss with green tea in general. 10. Might help you live longer. Green tea may have protective compounds against cancer and heart disease, which may help you live longer. Research trusted source from Japan found that those who drank 5 cups or more per day had a lower chance of death from all causes than those drinking 1 cup or less. A 2021 study found that drinking 7 cups of green tea daily decreased the risk of death from all causes by 62% trusted source, even among people who have had heart attacks. Dangers and side effects of green tea. Caffeine sensitivity. Green tea contains caffeine, which can lead to side effects such as anxiety, restlessness, and insomnia, especially in sensitive individuals or when consumed in large amounts. Iron absorption issues. The tannins in green tea can bind to iron, potentially leading to iron deficiency, particularly if consumed with iron-rich meals. Digestive problems. Some individuals may experience nausea, heartburn, or other digestive discomforts, especially when drinking green tea on an empty stomach. Liver health concerns. High doses of green tea extract have been linked to liver injury in some cases, so moderation is key. Interactions with medications. Green tea can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and some cancer treatments, so it's important to consult with a healthcare provider if you are on medication. In conclusion, while green tea can be a healthy addition to your diet, it is essential to consume it in moderation. Typically 3 to 5 cups per day is considered safe for most people. Be mindful of your body's reactions and consult a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns or conditions that may be affected by green tea consumption. Enjoying green tea as part of a balanced diet can help you reap its benefits while minimizing potential risks. Thanks for watching our video about green tea. We hope you took notes and enjoyed. Subscribe and like the video. We will see you in the next video.